Turn flow control knob to the off position. With the flow control knob closed and while the machine is still in serve mode, operate for a maximum of 4 minutes or until the blades start chattering. Press the Purge Clean button. The display reads Purge. Use the pin cleaning tool to clear the product from the pins on the faceplate. Only use pin cleaning tool part 2206335 for machines with the front extended wing blade. Do not use part 2202377 with front extended wing blades, as damage to the machine and tool can occur. Please note, restricted custard overbeats, which affects taste and texture. After the timer expires and all usable product is removed, close the gate. Remove the slides. Clean excess product from the faceplate. Product production from hold. Press the Push to Freeze button. Open the front gate. Collect any liquid mix that comes out of the freezing cylinder in a sanitized container and treat it as rerun. When the display reads Custard Ready, the freezing cylinder is at the correct temperature and the auger starts automatically. Turn the flow control knob clockwise to 1. A small amount of mix will drain from the machine. Turn the flow control knob to the 1 position and gradually adjust the flow control knob to gain the desired custard texture.